Just a little bit of rain. Earlier there was some real crackers of thunder over the house. I mean, I've been here over 2 years now and I get used to it, but you know, how much can you get used to when the flash of light and then the bang right on top of your head? Look at this little garden here, flooded. This happens every time we get these monster rains. So now I've got to go inside the workshop and get a tool, they call it a job, like a big hoe, and go over there to make sure it's not blocked so all this can get away, because it looks like it's not moving. Okay, that's the best I can do without actually letting my camera sit in the water. And I don't think I need to do that. So now you can watch me go get wet. Okay, so now you can see it moving again. All it is the leaves fall off the tree, they get on the ground, and when the water starts flowing, it gets over in that corner there, and it chokes up. So it'll take about 15-20 minutes to go down. I'll keep an eye on it though. I'll take you around the other side. I got this piece of plastic to put on top of the camera so it don't get wet. Oh, I managed to get here without getting the camera wet. Still coming down. It's nowhere near as heavy as when it started, but it's still coming. This is like a good rain in England. There's another place over there under the tree, see it? Sorry for wiggling too much. I need to dig a little trench from there. It's only about 2 meters. 3 meters maybe, and it can go into like a little gully over there. Yesterday I had the water because we didn't have rain for a few days. You can see it's getting away now. And it makes its way to the river. You can see that it's gone down already. Over here it's gone down about 2 inches already. It's moving quite fast now. Rain's easing up. It's another 15-20 minutes and I can sweep the path and then the rest can drain on its own. Yeah, so rainy season come early. So we still got this rain for about 2 or 3 more months? Yeah, 2 or 3 more months it'll rain like this. Not every day. Some days it's just normal rain. You know, what you call it rain for Europe or America. I tell you where it rains like this, in Florida. I was in, I think Katrina. A big storm came through and I was in Florida. Went to Disney and it rained the same. You know, within a half an hour the streets were way underwater. You can see already it's drying. Or I shouldn't say dry, I should say water's receding. This was all underwater a minute ago when I started showing you. This here. This was all underwater, now it's gone down. You can see over there it's come right back down. So just another couple more minutes. Still flowing, you can see. There you go. Water's gone. This will be gone in the morning. Normally what happens is, just right there, where you see the reflection, there's a small little pool of water in the morning, maybe 2 foot long by 1 foot wide. And the rest all soaks away and goes down the river. If you can think of a better way to do this, let me know. But I think what I'm going to do is either I do it myself or I get somebody to come in. I think I might do it myself. Is board this up, board the path up, and raise it up, say 3 inches, but taper it down to the outside, so it moves it like from this side down, and then over there, and maybe even puts this piece of concrete here is actually part of an old wall. I just put it there because that's where the rain falls. And I thought of gutter systems, but then where's the pipes go? You know, you have to walk over the pipe in the garden. So, or I can dig it out and put some cement there so it has a trough to go down. Maybe that's a better way. So it falls onto concrete all across here and then goes into a trough, concrete trough, and goes all the way down. I think that'll be a bit of a humdinger to do, but I think once it's done it will be easy, because then you can walk on it and it stays clean. And after the rain, the sky is clear again. I don't know if you can see this, what I can see, but the pink house way over there, above it, and like across the top of the trees is beautiful. You see the sun way over there. And then over here, the sun's starting to go down. It's a little bright. Hope you're enjoying the rainy season. All the best. Press that red button. Bye.